Good morning, you guys, and happy day 6 of Vlogtober. So today is Tuesday. We just got to work, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm pissed off because the person I'm working with is not here, and she always does this. She doesn't communicate. She don't communicate, and now I'm here by myself until they find somebody else to work with me. So that's really annoying. Plus, I don't feel good already, so this is just not the way I needed to start my morning. But we'll talk more about that later. I just wanted to say good morning. I'm sorry, y'all, I sound so sick and gross, but we are at work. I'm about to disinfect everything. I need to run and get me some ice water and get my coffee going so I can like get my throat together. But yeah, I just wanted to say good morning to you guys. This is the reality of being a nursing assistant, you guys. There's always a shortage of staff. So we are off work. It ended up being an okay day. They got me a replacement, but yeah, y'all, was off to a bad start. And I think they finally got rid of that girl because I'm telling y'all, she has done so many no call, no shows, including today. It don't even make any sense. So anyways, y'all, we leaving work right now, and I honestly need to go to Walmart. I need to go to the gas station and to Walmart, but I don't feel like it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go to Walmart. I just need to go in there and just cash a check, honestly. But yeah, we just gonna go. I got a new cup, y'all, because I'm such a brat that I got the pink color because I'm like, you know, pink is my favorite color, but the shade wasn't my favorite. So then somebody today got this one, which is like silver, but it's like, as you guys can see, it's like iridescent. They call it Twilight, so I had to switch it out. I'm such a brat, but yeah, I switched it out and she let me. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm like, I don't have any cups like that. I have plenty of pink cups, so I switched that out. I still got my straw. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna put this Walmart in the GPS really quick. I'm just gonna go to the one over here because it doesn't make sense to go to the one past my house. And I might just be in traffic, y'all, so we'll just see. But anyways, y'all, we finna go to this Walmart real quick, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Work was good. I just wanted to check in with y'all. Y'all, so me and Babe watching this new show called The Maid. We started it last night. It's pretty good. But I came on here. I got me a little wine. I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff we got from the thrift store yesterday. So this is one of the paintings we got. We think we're going to put this in the hallway. It was $10. We got it on sale for $5. And we just thought that was super cute. And it's pretty big, too. And then we went in there for Babe one of these cute little jewelry stands. It wasn't this color, but she spray painted it silver. I have one, too. I'm going to show you guys what mine looked like. She don't want to let me have it. And then also, we got this super cute cup. Well, I got this super cute cup. I thought this was super cute, like a little china cup. And then we got these two little cute shot glasses. I just thought these were really cute, and they were 99¢. And I believe we got these for like 25% off, so they were like 69¢. I thought these were some cute shot glasses, tasting glasses, you know, like whatever we want. And then it looks and turned out, I got this from the same thrift store that we got that one from, and I just left it how it is, and I hung up some of my earrings on there. So Babe's gonna put some of hers on there, but yeah, this is just how they're starting, y'all. So I'm obsessed. They're so cute. And I think this jewelry stand was like $5 at the thrift store. I love thrifting. Go to the thrift store. But look at these earrings, y'all. So I'm excited to like get that together. So everything's coming together slowly. And then Babe hung up the picture that she got me for my birthday. I brought everything back in here into this room. So we're transitioning everything back into the second room. All your earrings? I didn't do anything with them.
No, you picked them all up off the floor.
Oh, they're in that blue Five Below bag. So yeah, we're in the middle of transition. Like I told you guys, redecorating and transitioning this whole room. So we're kind of just getting everything together in here. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. But yeah, we're going. So tonight I'm about to just go ahead and take me a shower right now. It's like 7 o'clock. I put some laundry in the dryer. Before we go to bed, we're doing our lash extensions. I'm about to take a shower right now, wash my face, do my little nighttime skincare routine. But yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to show you guys. A couple of things we got from the thrift store yesterday. The new jewelry stands. I'm so obsessed with those, y'all. Like, seriously. And I want to start displaying my jewelry more so I can start wearing it and get my little collection together. So yeah, this is one of the nose ring that I got yesterday. I've just been in the hoop vibe, and I also want to get me some new necklaces. I want to layer. I want one that's like here and here because I love this necklace and I want to wear it every single day. Babe got this for me, but I want to add 2 more layers. So anyways, y'all, yeah, that's it. I'm just about to get in the shower real quick. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can for the rest of the night for y'all because we want this vlog to be lit. If I can edit it for y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So verdict on that iced coffee, honestly, you guys, I like the Premier Proteins much better than the Atkins. I'm not gonna lie. Plus, it's double the protein. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's 30 grams of protein instead of 15. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But so yeah, I just feel like they taste better. I don't know. And I did have the vanilla latte one, but it wasn't. It wasn't. It was good, but it wasn't like better than the Premier Protein to me. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So just want to check on y'all. I'm gonna keep sipping my wine, hop in the shower real quick, and then I'll be back when it's time to do our lashes. All right, y'all. This is one eye.
Can I run give her a kiss on the forehead?
Yeah, go ahead.
You actually can tell a little difference. Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like when I finish both eyes with the individual lash extensions. I'm kind of obsessed. I think they turned out pretty good. They're pretty natural. These are just the medium length, and this is just kind of where I decided to stop. I didn't want to like overdo it or anything like that. Now I will say I don't really know how I like this long lasting glue, so I use a different type of glue. But yeah, I'm gonna do it maybe like 1 or 2 more times, and then maybe I'll film a video on it the next time. I should let you guys see me do it, but yeah, y'all, it was pretty easy. And I was gonna use these. I had got like this whole little lash kit. I don't know if you guys remember, I ordered like a nice little lash kit off of Amazon for like 40 bucks last year because I was gonna try to do my lash extensions, and that is still on my list of things that I want to do. But you know, I just haven't done it or whatever. So I did have some little shorter lashes, but I just ended up using the I Envy ones in medium. So maybe I would like them a little longer, but I think they look pretty natural, pretty cute. I could probably add a couple more on the end. I might add a couple more on the end just to make it a little bit more flirty. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. This vlog is going to kind of come to a close because I need to go ahead and edit it so I can get it uploaded for you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. I get off at 1 o'clock, so it should be a pretty good work day tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do something fun for tomorrow's vlog. I don't know. Hopefully this wasn't too boring for you guys. But yeah, these lashes, I like them a lot. So I would recommend, if you guys are interested in just trying at home, like individual lashes just for fun. These are the I Envy ones in medium, and I got the triple black knot free ones. And yeah, the more I'm like talking to you guys, the more obsessed I'm getting. And I just literally sat in here. We just watched some more of Made. So that's it. I'm literally about to import the footage here in a second, get ready for bed, get my uniform out and everything like that. And yeah, y'all, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I do want to show you guys our new bathroom set really quick. I think you've seen a little bit, but I changed the rugs. I finally put the rugs in there, so I'm just going to show you guys really quick, and then we'll end the vlog. So this is the cute little shower curtain. And then we just got these cute little rugs to match. So Yeah, y'all. Also, I ended up putting cotton pads in here instead of the Q-tips. And that's how that looks next to there. And then we got this cute little cotton pad organizer from, I think we got that from Burlington Coat Factory. So we just always have it set up like that. So, yeah.